Yeah. Can you introduce about yourself, your earlier studies, and your hometown and all?
Myself, Sowmya. I'm from Chitradurga. I have completed my BE Civil Engineering in Dayananda Sagar College. So here I took like advanced construction management course in CMTI.
Okay. So, how did you get to know about CMTI, Soumya?
Actually, from my so many friends, like many friends, well also I searched in Google and so I joined CMTI. So here I joined and I learned so many things. I gained practical knowledge as well as theoretical knowledge. So I visited so many sites like construction sites and interior sites also.
Okay. So, what and all you learned in, you said now practicals and
Yes, yes.
these things, and also what was the new thing you learned in CMTI? So, apart from your college syllabus and your site learning, also, can you briefly tell on that, Soumya?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, from the day one, I have learned so many things like sequence of construction, reading of drawing, methodology, and form work, and quantity surveying, and interior design. In interior design, especially cut list, I learned because previously I was not knowing about cut list. So here I came and here I got to know about cut list. What is the cut list? So this is the actually main thing, the new thing I learned in CMTI, and I visited sites also. So it is very helpful for me, and I gained so much of knowledge.
Okay. So, how many, like, can you speak about our trainer Natarajan sir and our Ashok sir and all? So, how was their guidance for your career and all, Soumya? Tell me
Yes,
about them.
okay, ma'am. Natarajan sir, he was very good and is very friendly with the students actually. Like if we ask any doubts, so he used to clear the doubts at the time in the class only. Like and Ashok sir, he also like each and every new things he explain. He came and he explained.
So, he was guiding you for the placements and all.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, how many trainers trained you, Soumya, during this process? So, ಎಷ್ಟು
Uh,
ಜನ ನಿಮಗೆ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು CMT ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
like around 6 to 8 members, ma'am. One topic, so one lectures they came and they gave interview. So they gave explanations and they gave knowledge briefly about it.
Okay. So, like, did you face any challenges but while relocating to Bangalore? So, ನೀನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So, what was the challenges you faced here?
Here I faced like I gained like a good knowledge and communication skill also I gained like I got so now I can speak very good.
So, you're knowing that you're changed after coming to
Yes,
CMTI.
yes, ma'am. Obviously,
Okay. Okay. Okay, Soumya. Then, yeah. What was your confidence level before training and after training?
so before training, like I was not knowing about much knowledge about construction and because basically I just learned in college. I just learned what are the subjects, but briefly I never learned like before previously. So when I
Okay.
joined CMTI, so I learned so many things like construction as well as interiors. So here
Okay.
I gained so much of depth knowledge.
Okay. Okay. Fine. So how was your exposure towards company? So company ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ. So whether CMTI helped you?
Yes, ma'am. Of course, they gave interviews like so many companies like which are which I am interested. So I gave interview and easily I cracked because of CMTI training.
Okay. So what about CMTA staffs, whether they were helpful to you, Soumya?
Yes, ma'am. They are very helpful to students and they gave any information if we have any doubts, So they solved, and they are very good with students.
Okay. So yeah, what about CMTI apps, Soumya? How did that help you?
Yes, ma'am. It is very helpful, not only for me. Actually, if I missed any class, so I can learn from videos. CMTI app. I can learn from CMTI app, and so I gained if we want to revise the things like important information. So from there also we can anytime we can learn.
Okay. So how was your interview process? How did you crack the interview, Soumya?
Yes, ma'am. So the interview process is like only one round.
Hmm.
So the based on interior design only. So in interior design, they asked cut list actually. So cut list is the main thing. So they gave one problem, they gave one unit. Actually, they draw and they showed me like, did you solve this unit? So I said yes because I learned cut list. So I there only in front of interviewer only I solved the each and every unit, and I gave it to back. So after that they ask basics questions only, not much
Okay.
difficult. So
Okay.
it's very easy, and so I cracked it.
Okay. So finally, what do you want to say to your friends and juniors, Soumya?
So this is the actually big platform CMTI. So you people can join, and you people can gain a good knowledge, practical knowledge as well as theoretical knowledge. So and easily you people can crack the interviews. So get
Okay.
the placements early. So
Thank you, Soumya.
very helpful.
Thank you.
And so before I joined, before I'm joining here, I was also not knowing about CMTI. So after I joined only, I got to know like what the topics, and what are the syllabus
It
I'm
is a
learning.
wide platform for the civil engineers.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. This is a big platform, and it's very good. So we can
Okay.
grow in like a career growth also. Uh, it's good.
Okay. Thank you, Soumya. Thank you so much for giving me the good feedback about CMTI. I wish all the best for your future. And once again, congratulations for your placement, Soumya. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am.